going to take anything, any nonsense from anybody. They are beautiful and fair. Then everybody in this village should run away from them because they are beautiful and fair. Let me even ask you one question. You think you're the finest girl in this village? How are you sure that the prince will consider choosing another wife? How are you sure that he wants to choose another bride? And even if the prince decides to choose another bride, what makes you think the prince will choose you? What is the guarantee that the prince of this kingdom will not choose my sister, my evil sister, instead of you? Are dining with the devil. You don't have a long spoon. You dining with the devil. You don't have a long spoon. You must be a fool. I beg, get out! You're a big fool. You want to dine with the devil, but you don't have a long spoon. The real devil herself don't have a long spoon. Don't you want to marry Prince? Come and marry Prince.
Everyone is confused. Whose order should be taken?
Really? You must have such a big balls to show your face here.
My prince, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Oh, it is not from my mind, and I'm sorry.
Are you done with your punishment?
Yes. You don't tell why I finish. See, I buy you this white singlet. Yes, with white boxers. Where you go to wear?
What's the meaning of this?
So that you will feel the calm down for me. You will feel the reduce your.
I don't understand. You bought me singlet and boxers like I don't have singlet, I don't have boxers to wear.
Hey, who talked that one? Where you put that thing? But I did not. I know you get plenty of them for your wardrobe. Oh. But why I buy this one? Be say so that you go to change white and white. If you want come out, you go wear them white and white. They come out so that you go look pure. As you need look whiter, you go look neater. So the thing goes sweet. That's what.
Keep quiet. Listen, I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to put up all your funny jokes so that I will forget the nonsense that you did. Listen, I will forgive you. But the next time you try this again, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget.
Yes, I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry, my prince. But why I buy them, they say, if you wear them, as you they look white and white, you go make you they forget everything why I don't do you. Even though you say you want kill me, you go make you they come back. No say I no get plan to kill because me and you na friends. So I will go see there as we there. I beg, take it, so that my mind go rest. Oh.
Let me ask you a question. Tell me the truth. Was it my sister that told you to fabricate those lies against my woman?
Ha! Your sister kwa? That is the princess. Mban. Me and your sister no get. We no dey even talk anything.
Now you're welcome.
Is she still in our house?
Oh no, whose daughter? Oh, she has left.
Good. And where is Obin now?
He's sleeping in his room.
It's alright.
Should I get you something to eat?
Oh, let me have my bath first.
Let me quickly boil hot water for you. How was your day?
Man, where is our daughter? I was expecting you would come with her. Where is she?
I'm sorry, I couldn't see her. I've searched for her everywhere, yet I couldn't find her. I even went to the chief priest's house, even his shrine. She was nowhere to be, no trace of her at all, because nobody has told me he saw her or something like that. Nothing like that.
Honestly, I don't understand you. Anywhere Ulima is right now, you kept her there. Because you are the person that chased her out of this house. You drove my daughter out of this house. You did not see her. Go and find her. When I talk now, you will say I'm a beast. Hey.
I never knew it will end like this. But I will report this officially at the palace tomorrow morning, so that the king will send the guards to go in search of her. And I am sure they will fish her out wherever she is. Because I know she's hiding in one of her friends' houses. Yes.
And you think I have not gone to all those her friends? And I did not find her. She is missing.
She's not missing.
She's missing.
And I'm telling you she's not missing.
I am telling you she's missing. She's missing. What is it?
I would like to do that. Let's make our neighbors know.
Let them hear. Another child is missing. Let them hear. Neighbors, Ulima is missing. Neighbors.
You are still demonstrating the beast in you.
I will demonstrate it forever. Neighbors, my daughter is missing. Oh, her father threw her out of the house. Who is that? Come in.
Okay, my princess.
And what the hell are you doing in my room?
My princess, I'm here to serve you palm wine.
As what? My maid or what?
The king ordered that I should serve you this
Oh,
morning.
you must be very stupid. So you just walk into my room to come and serve me this stupid palm wine? Oh, I see. So because I've been opening my teeth for you, you feel you can just walk into my room to come and serve this useless palm wine? Oh yeah, now get out.
Sorry, princess.
Sorry for your stupid self. Out!
Sorry.
Get out! Idiot, you came to serve palm wine, can you imagine? Here. Oh, there's nothing I will not see in this palace. So. Eken has gotten the mind to come into my room to come and serve palm wine. I won't blame him because I'm opening teeth for him, idiot.
Son, what is it? I had a bad dream.
A bad dream?
Yes. I had a bad dream about my bride. I have a feeling that something is not right. I think I need to go see her at once.
Oh, no. It's already late. It's considerable. You go there in the morning.
I just wish she's alright.
I hope so. Let's go back to bed. Let's go.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yes. I think I'm feeling sick, Sha.
Sorry, my love. You'll be fine, okay?
Okay, I have to go now, but remember, don't tell anyone about what happened last night.
Of course, baby.
It's just you and I.
I assure you, nobody will know.
Okay.
Ulimi, listen. You are mine. And mine you shall remain. Don't be scared, okay? I will do everything possible to always be there for you. I can't live without you.
Thank you, baby. I love you so much. Okay, let me go. If I survive my father's beating today, then I'll survive anything.
Don't worry, my love. He's not going to touch you, trust me.
Yes.
I'll come and check on you later in the day, okay? Okay.
Love you.
I love
Bye.
you. Take care of yourself. Ulima.
I love you so much.
I love you till death. I love you. Always remember that. Always remember that.
Let me go.
I was coming to the house.
My prince, I hope everything is good. I was even preparing to come to the palace.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, everything is good. I mean, since Mohammed has refused to come to the mountain have decided to go to Mohammed. The most important thing is that they achieved their goal, right? I was coming to see your daughter.
My daughter?
Yes.
Prince, that is a bit of a problem. Everything is not okay.
What's going on?
Olimma didn't sleep in the house at night. My husband sent her out of the house in anger. So we are going to look for her. We don't know where she is now.
What's the meaning of that?
He said he had a nightmare concerning his bride last night.
A nightmare?
So he said. Because he woke up last night screaming. When I got to his room to inquire what the problem is, he didn't tell me about the dream. All he keeps saying was it is a nightmare.
And he didn't tell you anything about the dream?
He didn't say anything concerning the dream. All he did was to tell me that he would go to see Onowo's daughter. That is something that he need to discuss with her.
Are you trying to tell me that he is not in this palace right now?
Oh, your son left this palace. Probably before he will come back, he will come with her.
I can't just wait for him to come and tell us what he's all about.
Mom, Dad, come on. Yes, you knew the bride he picked isn't good for him. Yet you all supported his decision and said the gods are with him. I laugh in Chinese. This is just the beginning. He will keep having nightmare upon nightmare, dreams upon dreams, bad dreams at that. Yes, until you people change the decision you've made already. Excuse me, please. I need a cold juice.
It is high time we inquired about our daughter's uneasiness towards her brother's decision to get married to Onowo's daughter. Something is amiss.
You are right, my king. I wonder why she hated Onowo's daughter with so much passion. But not to worry. I'll have to look into it.
Something needs to be done. I mean, look at the way Adana walked out on us with those freckle lines in English.
Don't worry. I'll see to that.
You bloody bastard! Desperate whore! That is what you are! Now listen to me. Oh, so you think that I, Princess Adana of Iseluku Kingdom, will ever allow you marry my brother? You lie!
Princess Adana, Biko Haponomaka, I want peace. I am not interested in your brother.
You all were there when I made it clear to him that I don't want to marry him. I don't want to have anything to do with the royalty.
Lies. All lies. Oh, you think we don't know? You've been sneaking around meeting with my brother.
Mama.
Yes.
Kweku, that thing is a big lie from the pit of hell. I've never seen your brother before now. I don't have anything to do with your brother.
Yes. So tell me, how come my brother, Olisa, the prince of Iseluku kingdom, pick you as a bride? Did you take a look at yourself? How? Explain it to me.
Ne, I don't know why he picked me, even though I know I'm very beautiful. But the most important thing is that I am not interested. Now everyone is against me in this village. My father asked me to leave the house simply because I refused to go and see your brother in the palace. If I had wanted your brother, I would have gone to the palace to see him. But I've been the one refusing. I beg you, Bikon.
You lie! Now listen to me. I am warning you for the very last time. Just know that there is no way I, Princess Adana, will allow you marry my brother. You will not even try it. Now stay away from my brother and say no to him if he comes to you. Did you hear me? It's a warning. I am warning you. Idiot. That's it thing. Pig. Bastard.
Is it a crime to fall in love? Only stealing came home and I let change. Can I come melo chuobia? Ekekelua. Can I kwano kamelo? Una wasilo monkiti. Ulimma. Iyeleleo. Mafusielana. Iyeleleo. Achoram. Obuzi yoku. Iyeleleo. Kedoze kankem sipoi.
Why are you looking at Azu? Eh? Azu, what is it now? Why are you looking at the girl? What is Azu?
Is she not beautiful? This girl beautiful. This one now, beautiful Azu.
I can see the sign of jealousy in you. Yes.
So I'm so like ashamed of yourself. Azu, you don't know this girl. Are we not in the palace when this girl rejected Prince? She's cursed in this village, Azu.
That is true. That is true. Then I stand a chance. Yes.
Azu, let me tell you, this girl now, where you see now, can never marry any man in this kingdom except Prince.
It's too bad. Eh? I mean, sometimes I don't know how our people behaves. Eh? What has she done that warrants such punishment from the gods? Because the last time I checked, marriage is never by force.
It's obviously she didn't find Prince attractive to her, which means I stand a chance. Azu, yes. At least, as when did you eat last? At least with my fish, I stand a
when
chance.
When did you eat last, Azu?
Guy, forget.
I beg, let's
so
go.
You know what we are saying. 10K last.
No. What's the meaning of that? Why will you send her out of the house when you know she's my choosing bride? Why?
My prince, I'm really very sorry.
Well, keep your sorry to yourself. Now listen, I will not return to the palace without my bride. I need you to go out there, search for her and bring her to me.
It's okay. Please calm down, my prince. Calm down. I just scolded her for refusing to come to the palace with me, as the king demanded yesterday. That was all. So she disappeared from the house. I promise you, I will go in search of her. We bring her today to the palace.
No, you won't do that. Now listen, I will not return to the palace. As a matter of fact, I will go to your house and wait. Go and search for her and bring her back to your house for me. I will not return to the palace without her. Can you hear me? Yes. Go search for her.
Yes, my prince. Do you know where she has gone to?
Because don't include me. When I was begging you, calm down, did you hear? Now you're telling him, Nkem. You know yourself. Anytime you're angry, you do things that you later regret. Why did you send her out?
Is that why you encouraged her to leave the house?
My prince.
There she is.
Huh?
Uli.
That's my daughter.
What is wrong with her?
That's my daughter.
Uli.
That's my daughter.
What happened to you? Are you alright?
My daughter, bleeding?
Why are you bleeding?
Please, don't ask her plenty of questions. Let's take her to the house.
Why are you bleeding?
Uli, what have you done?
My prince, please calm down. Let us take her to the house first. Okay?
What did you do? What did you do?
It's okay. Stop asking her. She may not be able to talk to you now. Let's take her home first.
When you sent her out, what were you thinking?
You encouraged her to leave home without my permission.
Tradition, omenani, why me yakanwanaju, forcing her against her wish.
On my way to you girls, I saw her, but after speaking to her, I realized that she's not interested in my brother.
We know that, but it makes no difference. Yes, because as long as your brother prays for her, she will definitely become his wife.
But she's not interested. So thank God she's not interested in him.
But wait. I don't understand. You carry a grown-up girl like me. We get better strong hair for private part. You carry me come outside there, they tell me this rubbish.
It's no rubbish. Calm down. I don't know why, okay. I don't know why your blood is always too hot.
Okay, don't go. Tell me what
you will not allow me to land.
I hear you.
Okay. See, I'm planning with a strong medicine man. Yes. Yes. So he's going to prepare a charm for you too. That you will use on my brother. That way, you will get everything you want from me.
Hey! Talk! Now you come now. What are we talking about?
What's the waste person time here, sis?
You have come. See, there is nothing to get ready about. I am much ready. As you see me like this now, I am very ready.
Which side is the native doctor house? This side, I be this side. Why they laugh now? I can't wait to meet my prince.
Calm down. You can only go on Afro Market Day. So just wait, it's just by the corner.
Princess, I can't wait to go there. In fact, I will be the first person.
I'm not going to see shoes in my sister. Don't bother yourself.
So just relax. I'll send you guys all the information that you need.
Princess, thank you so much. Hey, you have come.
No problem. So...
This guy will for this. That's what I don't do since. Okay, come back. You know the sea road? Eh? So I too small for you. You know say I stand for this place. You won't pass.
What is it?
Okay, you want know what is it?
Yes, what is
it?
What is it?
Make I ask you. Now the truth go save you. If you no talk truth, what thing I go do you no go believe am. Tell me, what thing you and princess they do?
And who are you?
Eh?
Who are you?
You want to know who I be?
Yes, who are you?
Eh? Okay, no problem. Now me be that person. We go tell Igwe, tell Queen, tell Prince, say they sleep with princess.
Eh?
Now who I be with that?
What type of false accusation is that one? No, what type, are you trying to implicate me? What is that? What type of talk is that?
In beginning, make I tell you. You just say anybody for this palace feel believe this nonsense where they talk for your mouth? See, listen, make I finish what they talk. Because of you, for this palace now, please no they follow me talk again. Anytime, anywhere where I work, I go see you and Amuna go to talk. You don't do me like say I no be anybody again. I go make you come out for this palace whether you like it or not. I dey tell you.
You know I'm innocent of this accusation. Please, I don't like this. How is this thing sounding to you now? How can you say I'm having something to do with the princess? How does it sound to you?
You don't even deny him.
This thing is not good now. Stop saying this thing.
You don't even deny him. You still get out to deny him. No problem. You go clear for your eyes when Igwe, Lolo, and Prince go begin see you as their enemy. You dey hear me? I will do you something where you no go ever forget.
What type of trouble? What type of problem is this one now? What is this one? Why are you trying to get me into trouble? Stop this thing now. You know I'm innocent of this accusation. Why are you doing this?
Ooh. The one with the break my head be say if I dey talk you go still they talk this your nonsense innocent. This one why I even see you now they come out. You see they talk nonsense innocent. See, you dey leave this palace. You dey hear me? By this time tomorrow, I no want tell you wetin go happen. But by this time tomorrow, if you still there for this palace, no problem.
Please, bros.
Brother. Hey, sir. What What did you just say?
I said she has been defiled by the chief priest's son.
Hey! Man.
Is that boy out of his mind? Doesn't he know the consequences of the action?
I don't think that the chief priest is aware of this. We will go to his shrine to appease the gods.
Immediately. Hey, immediately.
Hey!
Oli, what have you done?
What am I supposed to do, Mama? Obinna is the man I want to marry. It's either the gods accept it or they leave it.
Will you shut up your mouth there? Shut up your mouth, or I strangle you here and now to death. What kind of thing is this? Do you ever think of the implications of what you are doing? Do you?
Papa, go ahead and strangle me to death. I'd rather die than marry a man I don't love. If the king chooses to banish Obinna and I for what we have done, I am fully ready for that consequences. I will follow him to wherever he goes because he's the man I love, Papa. Don't you consider my feelings? I'm a grown woman. I know what I want for myself. Obinna is the man I love and want. If the gods doesn't like it, they can go ahead and do anything.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Obinna is the man I love. He's the man I want to spend the rest of my life with. It's either I marry him or I remain single for life.
How can you remain single? When he has already defiled you,
it doesn't matter, Mama.
Hey! Holy man.
Mama! Papa!
What is it?
Papa! I was just going back from the chief priest's house. Obinna's son is dead.
What?
His son Obinna is dead. Obinna is dead.
Tell me
Obinna is dead.
Obinna is dead. Are you sure of what I say?
I'm very sure, Papa. I'm very sure, Papa.
Hey!
Obinna is dead.
Hold on. Tell me you're joking.
I'm not joking. Go to the chief priest's house and see things for yourself. Go to the chief priest now and see things for yourself. Obinna's son is dead.
You see? You see? See what I was saying?
God, why? God, why would you take Obinna away from me, God? Why would you take the love of my life away from me? God, what have I done to deserve this? Mama, please leave me. This is what you've always wanted. Papa. I know you're happy. Go and celebrate.
I said this. I said it. This is my complaint. I have been saying it as if I am a prophet that I knew it was going to happen.
I haven't done anything to deserve this kind of punishment from you. God, you cannot do this to me. Oh, you cannot do this to me. You cannot do this to me. You cannot do this to me. Oh, you cannot do this.
Gods of my ancestors, why me? Why me? Oh, why Alaputam? Why Alaputam? Akuna Alaputam, I warned you, Akuna. I warned you. Oh, hey. Gods of my ancestors, what have I done to deserve this? My son you have taken. Now the gods have struck my eye. Hey! I'm the one-eyed chief priest. Oh! Let me be sure this one is open though. It's okay. Oh! Baby of Wanya. I'm a football for me.
Obinna is dead.
Ofulimma Iyeleleo Nwa ofusiela anya Iyeleleo Achọrọ m ọbụzi okwu Iyeleleo Kedozi ka nke m si pụọ iche
You're back. How did he go?
You see, I warned you. I warned you and your daughter. But all you could do was to support her. And that is why she's misbehaving. Disobeying the father, disobeying the king. Doing everything as you direct her. That's no problem.
How? How did I support her? How did I do that? Was I the one that sent her out of the house in the night? You were the one that sent her out of the house in the night. If you hadn't sent her out, she wouldn't have slept with the boy. And she slept with the boy because she was afraid of coming home.
You caused it.
How?
You caused it!
Don't you dare tell me that. Because you caused it. Take responsibility for your action for once.
If you had talked to your daughter like mothers do, she wouldn't have had that guts to sleep outside this house. Now look at it. Now, see what she is in. She's in a very great danger, in big problem if you don't know that.
Nice. Honestly, I am so scared. What do we do now? I don't want anything to happen to my child. What do we do? What do you suggest we do?
If truly you don't want anything to happen to your child, send her out of this house. Send her out of this community. I can no longer guarantee her safety. I cannot guarantee that. So the only assurance now is for you to send her out of this place because she listens to you. I am not going to talk to her. That's all I have to tell you.
I don't even know where she is. I am confused on what to do and what not to do right now. Where is she?
Igwe nọzikwa na mgbagwoju anya. Everyone is confused. Adigo kogadi. Whose order should be taken? Whose voice should be heard? Again na botuzi.
Mama, where have you been? Where did you get that?
It's the princess. She took Amarachi and I to see a native doctor. And they gave us this charm. She said the moment I shake the prince, that the prince will just agree to marry me.
Beautiful. You said you went there with Amarachi.
Yes, Mama.
That means that she has her own as well.
Yes, Ma. She has her own. I have my own too. But I don't want her to marry the prince. I know she will never marry that prince.
Now you are beginning to think like your mother. Eh? She will never have the chance of meeting the prince.
Yes.
Yes.
Mama, how is that possible? We've already booked a time to see the prince. It's just for us to go together.
The prince will receive a condolence for reason the one he chooses. Yes.
Okay, now I don't understand. What does that mean?
You know the chief prince's son? He slept with Ulema and died. That means that the prince will be forced to choose another person. What? Yes.
Mama, when did that happen?
Last night.
Wow! Very good. Very, very good. Mama, are you sure about what you're saying?
I am sure.
I'm here, coming. What? Okay,
Oh no! Where is that your cursed daughter? No, my son is dead. I warned your daughter to stay away from my son. But she refused. Have you seen what she has done? Oh no, not only that my son is dead, my wife is also dead.
Hey! Huh?
Take a look at my face. I am half blind. The anger of the gods turned me to a one-eyed chief priest. Oh no, woo! Abani ligolenu ngunyegi. Abani nolune nuosisi. Oh no, woo! Your daughter must pay. She must die. And there is nothing you can do about it. I will not rest until she rests in pieces.
Because tamper justice with mercy, please. Hey!
But you should have held your son well. Your son knew the consequences. Why would you bakuria?
Sometimes the gods don't even reason like we do. You understand?
Oh my God.
Hey, you see, I warned her, seriously. I've been warning her. That is what my word to her seemed to be like. Eh? Ifuge, look at what she has caused to herself. Have you seen it? Well, there is no longer prolonging my words here. Tell her that I don't want to use my eye to see her in this compound again.
And when you see her, you tell her.
Let she not step her foot here. I will deal with her myself even before the Ezedibia was present.
Washing our dirty linen outside.
This is our house.
Which house? Ezedibia hasn't gone far.
Even if he has, let him hear me, because I'm trying to exonerate myself right here and now. It doesn't concern me. Please, let me go and see the king. Make sure my food is ready when I come back. I'll be back soon. Make sure there is food when I come back.
Food. Jesus! Please don't hurt me. Please don't do this. Jesus!
Where is that the father of the cursed child in this our community? Oh no! Where is it? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Your evil daughter has killed my only child, my only son, Ofuayanja Fusonandwa. What have I done to your daughter? What have I done to her? What? Who have I offended for a daughter to kill my only son? My only hope I have in this life, Onu.
It's here.
Onu.
Well, I am sorry for whatever happened to you. But I want to get the fact from you. Are you telling us that our daughter killed your son, or what? Make me understand.
Ojebe. Oh no. Keep that sorry to yourself. You don't understand.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Now listen, no. Your daughter slept with my son. She slept with him knowing that she's cursed and a property of the prince and gods. Now, my son is dead. No. I curse you and your entire generation. It shall never be well with you people for causing the death of my only son. Oh no. Oh no.
Can you listen to me?
You and your entire household.
Don't forget like a my face and listen to me.
You and your entire household will suffer.
Okay. Can you allow me to tell you something?
Tell me what, Onu? Tell me what?
Because I've only regarded you, I've always taken you as one of the wisest elders of this community. I never knew you are an empty vessel. A noise maker.
Don't you know that the daughter is cursed?
Elder.
Because
you're supposed to have reasoned why your own stupid son, womanizer, should go after my son, my daughter. Should go after my daughter. I curse your family.
He's their son. What kind of son do you have? He's a womanizer. And what did he want? Where does it go? Can you go home? Let me tell you. I told you, get away from here. Get away. Don't let me tell you I get away. Oh no, you can't do anything to do. I will push you out. You can't do anything to do. No matter what we are in this our community, you can't do anything. Get away from here. That's your custom. She must pay for this. Stupid idiot. I know. Look at you. Get away. You cannot do anything, my friend. Okay, I cannot do anything. Who are you? You can do nothing. Oh no. You have the right to talk to me. A culture in this our community. Eh? Hi. Oh, you have to put him on work. Open the door and check it your forever. Eh? Imagine face this type of rubbish. Eh? Oh, you don't check it your forever. Oh no. You shall hear from me.
I hope this man will come. Probably he's aware of why I'm inviting him.
Here he comes.
Long live my king. My king, you sent for me.
Oh no, yes. Your daughter has been banished from this kingdom permanently. I do not wish to debate this issue with you. Just go home, relay this information to your daughter, and make sure that I do not want to see someone like her from tomorrow. Guards!
Yes, Your Highness.
Please ensure that you take Onowu to his house and make sure that my instruction is carried out.
No. My king, I can do it myself, please. I can do it myself. There's no need. I will carry out your order to the letter, please. But, my king...
My king, I want to believe that we did the right thing.
Now, yes, I'm doing the right thing. Let her leave the kingdom and live with her curse. She's already cursed.
Please, I don't need that. Come outside. Come outside, please. What is all to go? Get the balls to go. Get the balls to go. Please, come. You must get out of her. Why are you dragging her out of the house like that? Come on. Is marriage by force? Let it be by force. She must live here. Leave her. Where are you following him?
Mama, please leave me. If he wants to chase me away, let him chase me.
Come back now. Don't stop this thing now. Why are you doing this?
Doesn't concern me. Why are you doing this? She must leave my compound.
Why are you doing this? Eh? What are you trying to achieve now?
I must be loyal to the king. To the last.
Which lawyer?
I must be loyal to him.
Is she not loyal to you're loyal to the king?
Yes.
And you're not loyal to your own children.
Because she is disobedient. And you make her to be disobedient to me. I am her father, for goodness sake. She must obey me.
Because you're her father, you will kill her.
What kind of
thing? Chase her away. You know she's a young girl.
Doesn't mean anything.
Why would you do that?
Can go with that.
Tradition.
My sister, hey! Words couldn't express the joy in my heart when I heard what happened to me and her man. Hey!
You see this for me? It is a very big dream come true.
I'm telling you.
Look at me now. At least the dream of becoming the princess and meeting the prince is gradually coming to pass. It is God that I serve.
Honestly.
It is God that I serve. Hey!
Same here. Do you know that I told my people about it? They were so excited.
Who will not be happy?
Eh?
Who will not be happy?
Hey.
Oh, Mama.
Hey. Your food
Mama.
is here, my dear.
Hey. Mama, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mama the mama. Hey. Mama.
Hey. My dear, enjoy.
I've missed your food.
Oh, Mama. Hey, look at you fine, no. See, God will surely grant the desire of your heart.
Amen. 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 Oh. Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Happy Pastor.
Amen. Mama, thank you so much.
Wait, Mama, I hope the one you kept for me is bigger than this one because I'm seeing this food now.
See jealousy.
I beg go. Jealousy.
There is food inside.
Now jealousy will kill you.
Eat,
It's bigger. See my meat now. Mama! How to get meat for me like this? So go, John. I am your visitor. What's my business? Maybe this is my house. I will eat as much as I want to eat. Ha. Oh, Mom. Hey. This food is very sweet. I'm so happy.
Ezema, where is your wife? Your wife died because of that girl.
Exactly. She should be found and punished accordingly.
My wife died as a matter of what happened.
She helped them to commit the taboo. She was the one that opened the door for Nowu's daughter to sneak into my house that night and sleep with my son. This very taboo made the gods to strike me. Today, Abusumo one-eyed chief priest, is a Mufwanya. But the gods have their reasons for doing anything. I will still plead. Let us eschew bitterness and live freely. Let us allow her to be. Except your son, the prince of this kingdom, is interested in taking her as a wife. But as I said earlier, no man can ever sleep with her and live to tell the tale. Madama Borienga, da Mukama Borienga, da Koifofu. Except the prince.